Race to the rescue with the heroic switch-and-go Wolf Fire Chief from VTech. This super cool transforming creature vehicle brings 2-in-1 fun to playtime adventures. Easy one-touch transformation switches the speedy Fire Chief rescue vehicle to a strong and stealthy wolf.
Let's run with the pack!
When it's time to roll into action, 3 easy steps transform from wolf into Fire Chief rescue vehicle.
Let's roll to the rescue!
Realistic engine and sirens with flashing flashlights add to the imaginative play. Hear the sound of the Fire Chief's voice, the wolf's special rescue howl. And get caught up in the adventure.
That's a 5-alarm fire. Let's roll!
From wolf to wheels, let's roll out with the Switch-and-Go Wolf Fire Chief from VTech.